Okay, so hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 14th till the 20th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Don't look at my face. I haven't taken a shower from last 2 days. Today I will, because today finally we got our house, and it's my parents' house actually, not mine. I'm not in Mumbai these days. I'm fine. I'm good. Thank you so much for asking, all of you. And let's start. If you want to start your self love journey, please take the 30 days self love challenge. It's life changing. It will bring you back to your home, back to yourself, and definitely you're going to have this permanent reset of high vibrations. Let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Devil, not a good vibe. Someone is feeling there is some kind of unhealthy attachment, unhealthy patterns, or some kind of addictive kind of energy in the situation between you and them. Okay, let me clarify this before I jump into any kind of conclusions. I'm not getting a good vibe from this card today. Let's see. Let's see. Devil card is actually not a bad card if you take the message and not focus on the negatives. Let's see. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, the King of Pentacles. Somebody's feeling like they should hold the truth within themselves and they should not tell you what actually is going on, and they should pretend that everything is fine. That's the deal here. Someone feels like they're holding on to some kind of truth or some kind of situation or some kind of, what should I say, energy of, you know, unhealthy kind of energy of not being able to say something or reveal something or communicate something, and they feel that like they should keep it to themselves and pretend like everything is cool, everything is fine. Very unhealthy energy, and they themselves are feeling like this unhealthy energy, this is not good, but they feel like they should do it right now. This is what feels right to them right now, at least. Okay. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? We have the Ace of Wands. So from your side, you feel like having a brand new beginning in a particular situation, in a particular direction, or maybe you are getting in touch with your intuition more and more, and your intuition is guiding you to the people, places, or things that's actually good for you. But you're very intuitively high these days. You know what should be. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Wands. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Eight of Wands, the Eight of Swords. Yeah, you definitely feel like having a brand new beginning in a particular direction, in a particular situation, and you feel like moving forward, but you are trapped in your own thoughts. It's like you continuously overthinking. You are in some kind of mental jail, and the more you're trying to figure out ways to start a chapter in a particular direction, a brand new chapter, the more you're feeling trapped. By your own thoughts, by your own overthinking, right? Let's see what this person wants from you, Scorpio. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the Page of Wands. See, their intention here is to come forward towards you with a very light-hearted kind of energy, not so serious. It's like a casual kind of energy, maybe a friendship kind of a deal only. Let's clarify the Page of Wands. This person doesn't want to, go into serious matters right now. They just want to be in a light-hearted kind of energy. Mhm. Let's clarify the Page of Wands. We have the Page of Swords, the Ten of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. Yes, some up to some certain extent, this person wants to let go of the burdensome, the heavy kind of energy of taking the accountability or responsibility of whatever is happening or whatever happened. So they want to come towards you with a very casual kind of energy of, okay, let's do this, let's do that, let's have fun, let's go on dates, and just pretend that everything is okay. So basically, this is somebody who wants to pretend that everything is okay, but inside of them, a volcano is about to erupt, and they're trying their best to suppress the volcano as much as they can. And that's very unhealthy. My God. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Scorpio? We have the Two of Pentacles. So from your side, you just want to have a very stable energy. You would just want to stabilize your energy to the level of understanding what's good for you, what's not that good for you, what's healthy or what's unhealthy. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles. We have the Two of Cups and the Four of Swords and the Queen of Swords. You definitely want to let go of any kind of confusion or on and off or in and out kind of energy and have a very straightforward, clear cut path in front of you so that you can walk on that path and heal yourself and heal the connection. That's very, very important for you, right? It's like maybe a choice between two people, two energies, and or a choice of whether you should or whether you should not. Okay, go ahead in a particular situation. So definitely want to have a clear cut understanding of your own emotions, of your own energies, and you want to have a clear cut path so that you can heal and release and walk on that path. Very good. Perfect. And I'm kind of having shoulder pain. What is happening? I don't know, guys. It was a very, very intense week for me. It was a lot of cleaning, literal cleaning, like with broom and with everything. And now my parents' home is kind of settled, not completely, and a lot of things are happening. I will be back to my place in Mumbai next week. So with the same Osho painting and my bed, old me, old building, old house. Yeah, that's good. Anyways, for you, the outcome here is a Page of Swords. There is a distance, deliberate distance between you guys created by at least one of you, right? And you guys are watching each other. Let's clarify the Page of Swords here. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Five of Swords, honey. Wow. It's like things are progressing in a situation, but not the way you want them to. Plus, the mind games or the manipulations, or you can say because of the ego. It's an ego based connection right now where at least one of you is operating from their ego, not from their heart, right? And that's why things are so stuck right now, because somebody is not ready to take the responsibility and accountability of what should be. Again, I'm telling you again and again the same thing, but I want you to learn this, that there is somebody around you who is pretending to be okay, that everything is fine, we are happy, we are good, but a volcano is about to erupt. And when the volcano is going to erupt, it's going to create a lot of chaos and conflict. Right now it's like, oh, we're good, we're fine. Their ego is telling them to pretend that they can handle a situation, they can control everything and everyone in their life, and then this distance is increasing with each passing day. Maybe this was a deliberate distance from both the sides to heal yourself individually or something, but now this distance is a literal distance, and it's increasing with each passing day because things are not happening the way somebody wants it to happen. That's pissing them off, kind of. And they know it's unhealthy, it's not good, but still they were like, no, this is how it should be. Cool. For you, the guidance here is the Ten of Swords in reverse. Even if you think this chapter is over, this story is done, this is still not done. There is something that will erupt or that will come out in the coming future out of this situation. I don't know it's going to be good or bad, but this is something that is still unfinished. Okay, for you, the guidance here is you don't have to like see the light at the end of the tunnel. You have to be the light yourself, Scorpio. You have to stay in the reality check that whatever is happening, you can't change it, right? You can't change it, you can't control it, and don't even try to do that. It's foolishness. Just focus on yourself, your energies, your happiness. Maybe not happiness, but stay in tune with your own real sense and real energies, and try to understand that even if few things or few situations or few people are very attached to us, but we can't love them or we can't be with them all the time. We can't help those who don't want to help themselves. You might be feeling bad about something or someone, you might be trying to fix them. It's not your job, not your responsibility. Even if they're your parents, even if it is your sibling, even if it is somebody you are madly in love with, not your job, not your responsibility, because right now they're not in the right mindset. Maybe later on, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.